You're enjoying grilled chicken, and someone says, "It's covered in teriyaki sauce." And you pause for a second, thinking, is teriyaki sauce halal? Let's find out the truth. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Teriyaki sauce is a popular ingredient in Japanese cuisine. It's sweet, salty, and used as a marinade or glaze for meat, chicken, or even vegetables. But the real concern is, what's inside teriyaki sauce? And is it always halal? Let's take a closer look. The main ingredients in teriyaki sauce are usually soy sauce, sugar or honey, ginger and garlic, sometimes sake or mirin, both are types of alcohol. Here's the issue. Many store-bought or restaurant teriyaki sauces contain mirin or sake, which are Japanese rice wines used to add flavor. These ingredients are alcohol-based, and any alcohol used for taste, not removed in cooking, and present in the final dish is haram. Even if the alcohol content is small, if it hasn't been completely evaporated or changed in nature, istihala. It is not permissible in Islam. So, what's the verdict? Teriyaki sauce is halal only when it's made without alcohol-based ingredients. That means no mirin, no sake, and halal-certified soy sauce. The good news is, many halal brands now offer alcohol-free teriyaki sauces, and some restaurants use halal alternatives. But don't assume it's halal just because it tastes good. Always read the label or ask the restaurant if the sauce contains alcohol or is halal certified. Final verdict. Regular teriyaki sauce is often not halal, but halal versions do exist. You just need to check the ingredients carefully. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever asked a restaurant about their teriyaki sauce? Do you make your own halal version at home? Share your experience in the comments, and let's help each other stay informed. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Halal Talk Show, and share it with others who enjoy Asian cuisine but want to stay halal. Until next time, eat halal, ask before you taste, and stay aware. This is Halal Talk Show, your guide to halal living in a non-halal world.